Jaiaw Hills District Adventure Sports and Mountaineering Club Ringkat Berkomission Nethralaya IK Center kila pelong ye Jingsumar bat jing eksamen ye Khmat Jaiaw Pdeng. Uba sambor surong nong yalam jong ini ke club ula batai ye jing temu jong ini Jingsumar Khmat kalong nak kebenta ki beduk ki bekerdo bak temen ki kro. Ula ongru baga club kala dap kum kini Jingsumar Khmat haki artli ke district ke Jaiaw. Kajing temu jong ke club kalong ban penpriang syabaro ki district jong ke Meghalaya ya ki yet Khmat bat dawai la ai sngo bha ki beduk bat iki bala ban siu la penhiardor arpau bat lai pau persen. Nalor kini kajing temu ke club kala seibor ban yakun persya kajing priang jong udrok bala penjat bun ba ki Samla kini ke Jaiaw. Ubak kit perian rang ba shnong bemenshwa ulai ro kajing penok bha jong kini ke club ha ka kot ke kya bat ka bha ka miat jong ki Paidbah ke Jaiaw. Ula kentui kinong ilam kini ke club ban beteng ye kini ke kam babaha shisin ru benai neman ke snem makan yerap shiboni ke beduk bekerdo. Ubak sambor ula penpau ke jing sngongu ya baro ke beladon ketilang ha kini ke kam babaha jong ke club. Mama pila ban yathu ya ka kerteng jopi
ngai ba kit pariat nyo voice ne sa ne jiu
te mama ka jingdon jong kane ka free eye check kam dei hato fi kom kinong shok strong le se fisngau hadu kan no ka yarap le se ka iga jingman toy ba fi ona ka
i kamtam mo ye ni ki ba
jingman ni ka free eye check kam ni te ka long ka jing toy ba khan ka jing shok strong no ki ba Shillong na kung gani ka pot man tadi ba ya be te long ka jingwan hang ni te ka kham suk sibun pi ka long ba letre kunta ni petri kam gari pariaro tong layo banwan ni ki to baginda le doktor sai jingai ka baginda apa pen men ka sumpor mai ki te ka long ba toy ba kram te ni shok strong.
My name is Sambor Surong. I am the founder and the advisor of this West Jaiaw Hills District Adventure Sports and Mountaineering Club.
Okay, can you tell us about this free eye checkup today?
The purpose of doing this free eye checkup camp, it's we are doing it for the underprivileged people, especially for the old age. Because some of them they cannot go to hospital. So me as a resident of Jaiaw Pdeng, so I have first of all I would like to thank God that He gave me this chance that I can do this free eye checkup camp in collaboration with Meghalaya Mission Meghalaya Eye Care Center Shillong. So doing this also I have gone through lots of hard work, and then I got some sponsored from someone whom they don't want to reveal their name, so they asked me like the money that I got I should use for this free eye checkup camp, and then they even convey the message to the society also that to repay it back to other district also. So I am from the West Jaiaw Hills district, so our purpose is it's not that we want to do only in West Jaiaw Hills district, so we want to cover all district of Meghalaya state. So when we do this also we could not get I could not take any sponsorship from the local MLA, because since as you all know that there is an MP election will be held on 19, so according to the model code of conduct we cannot take any sponsorship. So as for now I would like to thank the Darbar Shillong of Jaiaw who has given us a chance to do this free eye checkup camp here. So while doing this, we are giving opportunity for those beneficiaries who are having this yellow ration card. If they have to take wear specs, they will get it for free. For those who don't have the ration card, we will give them 30% on specs and 20% on medicines. For now, they have turned out around 50 patients. So till 4, I think let's hope it will come around to 300 also.
Okay. So what kind of medicine they provide from here?
It's an airdrop and then some vitamin medicines also.
Okay, so you said you will do all over the district,
Yes.
all over Meghalaya.
Yeah.
So how many district you cover?
As for now, we have covered 2 districts, that is East Khasi Hills and West Jaiaw Hills. In West Jaiaw Hills, we have done it in Kimusniang village, and the second is in collaboration with Donbosco Student Union. So we did it recently, so almost around 600 students they turned out. So with that also we got some few sponsorship, and then it's as for me it's a blessing for the society. And then from my side as an advisor and the founder of the club, why I formed this society, so to say the organization, is that we want to fight against drugs.
I mean, how many village you cover?
This is the first in East Khasinews. This is the only place that we have covered, and maybe after this election we will try to go somewhere in Laoba or Jingsumar side. Then we have to get permission from the local Ramashman, because like doing this kind of free eye checkup camp, we have to know which hospital. And in some locality they don't want to do it from the company side, because these days lots of fraud cases are there. So while doing this, we don't do it for for the promotion of our club. We are doing it for the betterment of the society.